Hello and welcome back to my channel where I teach how to make money online. In today's video, I will show how to connect your WIX to your Shopify. So let's go. So first of all, we have to just log in or sign up with our account on our Shopify, and we have to just open our WIX. So we have to open our WIX dashboard. Okay. So it do not logo maker will no open WIX. So here we have to just open as WIX login. So here we have to open a WIX, and here we can see we have a website. So we can just take one website. So I'm taking this website is not published, so let's go back. We have to take a published website. So just in my website, you can just take this. So here we will connect your Shopify with Wix with the automation, with the help of automation. So automation will help us to automate the things, and it will sync all things together. So let's go. So first of all, we have to open our Shopify here, and here to automate both of them, I'm using here Zapier. So Zapier is a platform that connect all the apps to work with automate and here. So we have to just click on Zapier. So Zapier we can see. So we can just see the dashboard. So here we have to just log in or sign up with the Zapier account. So as you can see, we have a Zapier account. So I will log out, and I will start with a mail for free. So let's get started. So here I am using a temporary mail that is used by my Shopify mail. We have to make a same account, means we have to just log in with the same Gmail in every, like in Wix and just Shopify and Zapier. So we will like work mail. So here like a name. So we can just get started. So what's the password? So let's write the password. So get started for free. Oh, so it should be more. So let's start. So it's here. So we can just update. So here are we are in with. So we want Zapier to. I'm a business owner. So my company has 0 to 1 like, employees. I will continue. So what app do you use? So we are using here for Wix, Wix automation and Wix answers both, and we are using here as Shopify also. So Shopify, here you can see Shopify, and we can just finish the setup. So as you can see, we have to just we have a 14 days trial in Zapier. Okay, so like we will upgrade to like 50 USD their plan, and it will give a 14 days trial. So we can just update. So let's connect our app. So here we have to search connect this app. So we are connecting Shopify to Wix. So we are going to Shopify to Wix. So here you can see Wix. So we will not do Wix automation because automation does not work. You have to do Wix answers. Okay. So here we have to trigger the answer. So here we have to just do as our new log entry. We do actions as create label, and we can just try it. Okay. So let's start. So it's a trigger. So we can just log in here. So to log in, we have to just sign in. So here we have to log in with the same account. We have login here. So we have to just write here a store ID. So the store ID is this. Okay, so we have to just copy this and we have to paste on this site. Yes. So we have to click on install app. So here we can see Zapier has been installed. So it's continue. So here a log required. So choose a value. So we can choose a FAQ. We can just continue. So it's testing, test the trigger. So skip the test, skip test. So here we can see our Zapier is now connected successfully. Let's connect to the WIX. So WIX is here. So we can just do sign in on our WIX. So here it is asking for our uh, API key. So we have to like uh, write our API key and our account. So account is my account. Then URL.answers. So let's go here. So here we can see we have option to again create new automation. So we can just search for Zapier or Shopify. So it's not showing. Start from start. So let's can just go back. So here automation. So here we can search as Zapier. So it's not coming Zapier. So we can just go to our profile and we can just go to profile account settings. So here Zapier is asking for our API key. So we'll generate an API key. So let's scroll down and it should be here only. So we can just do API keys. So we can generate the API key. So here is name. So we can just name as Zapier. And here we have to just allow all the permission and just generate the key. So here we have to send the code. So we have to just verify it via mail. So we can just verify. So let's open our mail and put the code here. So our code is 999 476. We can just do verify and generate key. So it's not. So let's go to next. So next is our 842028. So we can just generate and verify. So this key should be there. So here is our token. So we can just copy the token from here. So we can just copy and close. So here we can see we have the token of our Zapier. So we can just copy here from when you create it. So we can just go here, add it here. Okay. So here is the add a API key. So create an API key in settings. So we generated the API key. So here is our token. So we can just copy this ID, account ID. So in account ID, we have here to copy the account ID, and here is the URL. So yes, so chances we can just copy the WIX URL. So here is my if the key is not, you just click on your account settings. So we have to just click on WIX. So here should be there. So we can search as WIX answers. API key and generation. So as you can see, we have to just contact it here. They will provide. So we can just connect from here. So when you will done here, so then your account will be automatically connected with your Shopify and your WIX. So this is how you can disconnect your uh, Shopify with your WIX. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.